Hey Scott, let's talk about automobile collisions. Tell us about some of the clients you have represented.
Well, in 42 years of practice, you can imagine that I have handled every single type of automobile collision you can possibly think of. There are rear end collisions that are clear liability. There are intersectional collisions where both sides say they had a green light. You have side swipes. You have people that fail to yield the right of way. You have people that are failing to keep a proper lookout, failing to control their speed, being distracted by texting, being intoxicated when they're driving. Accidents that happen on our roadways happen in all shapes and sizes, and I've been honored to represent many, many people that have been hurt in these car wrecks. Two parts to every car wreck case. The first part is whose fault is it? And it's going to be our job to prove that it was the other party's fault that caused the collision. The second part of the case is how bad are you hurt? The more hurt you are, the more your case is valued at, whether it be by the insurance company representing the defendant or a jury. We spend a lot of time proving up the fault by interviewing witnesses, the investigator who developed the crash report, and your statement. We'll take depositions of the defendant and getting that all ready to go to trial. We may even have to hire an expert on when there's a dispute as to whose fault it is. We can hire an engineer to recreate the accident. Second part of the case on damages is interviewing your doctors and taking their depositions, reviewing all of your records and getting all of your bills together. We want to prove up all your damages, and we're very thorough in our investigation and getting it ready for trial. If we have to go to trial, we try the case, and that's why the insurance companies will pay you at mediation before you get to trial to get the case resolved.